Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix FaceTime unavailable, turn on mobile data or use Wi-Fi to set up FaceTime. So if you find this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether your Wi-Fi is connected to your iPhone or not, which means you are connected to Wi-Fi. And after that you have to make sure that you have to restart your Wi-Fi router, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn off so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to or scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on, and after that you have to click on reset network settings. So you have to make sure that you have reset all your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings you have to go back and you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of FaceTime here. So here you have to make sure that your FaceTime is connected to your Apple ID and it is activated. And if it is not activated, then what you have to do, you have to simply turn off this toggle, and here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on this toggle again, and you have to make sure that your Apple ID is connected and activated after the FaceTime. So in this way you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can also check for all other settings whether they are working properly or not. So in this way you can fix the error related to FaceTime. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.